To remove the hard drive in the HP3310, first loosen the right and left set screws and carefully remove the faceplate of the server. Identify the hard drive to be removed by its drive number. Then squeeze the lever lock and rotate the lever to a vertical position. Then depress the left tab on the drive lever and pull the drive lever to extract the hard drive from the server. Insert the new hard drive and push its drive lever till the tab on the left clicks, locking the drive physically in place. Depress the lever lock and rotate the lever back to the horizontal position to engage the internal data connection to the drive. Then simply replace the faceplate and tighten the set screws.